I'm going to show you exactly how to create a template link in Canva so you can share your designs with others without them changing your original file. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to generate, test, and use your Canva template link to share or even sell your designs online. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's get started. First, head over to your Canva account and open the design you want to turn into a template. Once it's open, go to the top right corner and click on Share. Next to it, you'll see 3 dots. Click on that to open more options related to your design. From the list, select Template Link. Canva will then show you a button that says Create Template Link. Click on it, and Canva will instantly generate your unique template link. To make sure it's working properly, double-click the link, right-click, and choose Go to Link. You'll notice it opens in a new tab where users can use your template without altering your original design. Once your template link is ready, you can embed it on text, buttons, or even product listings. The best part is you can share it unlimited times, which is perfect for selling your designs on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just created your very own Canva template link. It's simple, quick, and super useful for creators and sellers alike. If you want to learn even more Canva tips, check out our step-by-step tutorial on how to make and sell Canva templates, where we dive deeper into turning your designs into profitable digital products. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.